So we're here at SP Performance and I'm here with Danny Mcguire. It's been a while since we've had a catch up, so we're going to see how they're getting on. We've got the car behind us. How are you doing, Danny?
Yeah, I'm alright, mate.
Good to see you, buddy.
And you?
This car has had a lot of work over the last few months.
It has.
Talk us through the basics of what you've done.
Well, we started off with the normal Nissan stuff with strut tops repair. They were rotten right through. Brake lines, fuel lines, brake calipers, full service kit really. We've had to go through everything. We've refreshed the engine. We're going to actually go nitrous this year as well. Refresh the gearbox. I don't think there's anything we've not touched on the car really. To be
so it's had a lot of work then. What sort of power are you hoping for then?
It'd be nice to be out. Well, it was about 650 before, so even if I got similar because we're only using the nitrous for the spool. So 650, 700 brake with nitrous. You know, so it shouldn't be laggy anymore, so I can be go a bit easier on my clutch.
And we were briefly talking about you've got actually another car that you're building as well. What's the reason behind?
Well, I've had like 5 months off out of the seat now, and it's too long not to be driving. And with these cars, it's such high specs, you've got to keep on top of them. If I use this over the winter months, it's just going to break, innit, really, you know. So it's got to be serviceable. So I thought I'll build another car to use on the off season and in between rounds. So I've got, well, you've seen the car, it's an E92, we'll leave it at that, but that'll be hopefully showing up in the next few months really, so that'll be a...
Cool, so the idea of that is obviously get as much seats out as possible.
Which is key, isn't it, as we all know.
To come in and have a really good, strong performance this season?
Yeah, I want to try and get for the pros this year, yeah, no, that's my aim, you know. I wasn't quite ready for it last year, I put my hands up and say I wasn't, but I think with a bit more practice, I know it's in here what I should be doing, it's just putting it into practice, and without being in the car, how can you do it, you know? I guess I'm growing some bigger kahunas that I've just got to go for it, you know. And
you had a really strong finish to the year last year, didn't you? You did. You got a hard charger award at Bucks.
Yeah, it left me on a high. Yeah, it was wicked really. It makes the winter months a bit all
worthwhile.
Yeah. You know, so yeah.
Is your intentions to start round one with a bang and start?
Hopefully not a big bang, but yeah, no, I'm hitting the ground running. Hopefully, you know, if we can get one test day in it before, it's going for mapping Monday. Hopefully, if I can get one test day in it, just to see if it works really, and then full send really. You know, you've got to fully commit with this, haven't you? And I'm learning that throughout the years, just commit.
And obviously, first round being Three Sisters, your local
track, so the pressure's off in that degree.
Confidence.
Yeah, I'll do it, yeah.
Good. Other thing I wanted to talk about was the team, obviously. So, you've been part of SP now since you started, really?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
So, who's in the team this year?
Well, we've got the main men behind the spanners. You know, we've got Danny Lee, Danny Mansfield and Andrew Kelly. They're the man behind the spanners. We've got, obviously, their missus is helping out with the truck and the cooking and all the keeping us fed, which they've done well over winter. Yeah, I'd like to give out a big shout out as well to Mark. Obviously, he's done all the bodywork, all the custom paint job on it, and we will be open having a new adventure next year, Drift Creations, which keep your eyes out for all these custom bodyworks and body panels and clamshells and paint jobs. So yeah, big shout out to Mark Hoff. And then driver wise, we've got Paul Cunnington, and then we've got the Stephen Fitzgerald joining us for the constructors points. So that should be good, which we want to aim for that, to try and get SP on the map for the constructors thing really, you know, and try and beat Slide.
Ooh, I don't know about that. So is there any other partners that you'd like to thank that's helping you out this year? Yeah,
well, there's obviously SP Motorsport. We've got Turbo Smart jumping on board, Big Red Calipers Limited. We've got Drift Creations keeping an eye out for us. Got my mate Chef Dan, Pro Tuner and Clean Tech Valeting. That's
without all them people, you know, you wouldn't be able to
it's awesome to have them on board, yeah.
So we're not obviously doing a full car reveal at the minute. You can see some snippets and you'll see some other bits in the film with it. Danny and the team will be releasing the new paint job and the full new look that's going to be quite impressive from what I'm hearing. Quite in your face. I don't think he's toned it down at all, so we're looking forward to that. Is there anything else that you want to go through? What round are you looking forward to this year?
It's just a privilege to drive in the British Championship anyway, so I'm looking forward to them all. I know I can say I'm looking forward to just getting better, just being out there, getting better. Don't put me anywhere, I'll enjoy it. I know there's no point in being negative about any tracks, just get out there, drive it, put a show on, get on someone's door, doesn't matter where you're at, does it then?
It's all about
pretty much, you know.
It's all about the show, yeah.
I know.
And having a good time.
Having a good time, and like I said, putting on a show, that's why we've gone so bright and wary this year. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but we was a bit subtle last year. And I thought I want to be just out there in your face. It's it's loud. I know it's I know it's a bright colour car, but let's be seen and heard.
Right. Well, always a pleasure to be here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let us know what you think about Danny and the team and everything like that, and get your tickets bought for round 1. We'll see you soon.